Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a very sharp and straight honest review about this AI website called Doola. So in this video we're going to check what it offers, who is it for, and if it lives up to the hype. So to get started with that, what is Doola? Doola is like a helpful friend for entrepreneur who lives outside the United States but want to form an LLC there. So they help you create your company without you having to be in the United States. Think of all the papers, the rules. Doola help you with all of that. They even assist you with opening a US bank account, which can be tricky from overseas. And talking about the best features of this, they have the various different of features which makes the work super easy and cool. So one of these features makes it helpful for people and other countries easily to start and run their US business. So one of these best features is the LLC formation, together with the bookkeeping and taxes with e-commerce analytics. And talking about the pricing list, they offer the different range of pricing list starting from the starter to the total compliance and the business in a box. If you want more information, just simply go back to the website to check more information about their pricing plans, to check and which plan is suited for your business. So talking about the pros and cons, so knowing the good and bad side help you decide if Doola is the right for you. So let's break down the main advantages and disadvantages of this website. So talking about these advantages, it has a easy LLC formation process with a good for non-United States resident, and also help open an bank account in the United States, and also offer a tax and a bookkeeping help, and also provide an outgoing support. So I'm talking about the disadvantages. Comes a pricing can be higher overall. The state fee are not included, and some features cost extra. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this Palmpay website. Thank you.